What is going on, guys? It is your boy, the Dante Program here, and today we're going to be showcasing the new Rocket League update that came out yesterday. Sadly, I couldn't play it because I couldn't record or play it. So, anyway, guys, there are a bunch of new things in this, from crates to decals to goal explosions to a new field. So let's show you some of them. First of all, in your garage, you have a new look for it, for your bodies and all the other stuff. Decals, new decals, of course. Got this one. Just that I played a game a minute ago, and I unlocked this. Paint. You got your wheels. There's 2 new wheels. Boost. There is a new boost. For hats and all that, there's 2 new hats. Flags, there's probably more, but there's 3 in here. This is something new. Trails, you got your classic one and your limited. I got this. I unlocked it from season 4, so I decided to use this new one. And then you have engine noises from different cars, and you could collect up to 41 of them, as you can see, which is crazy. And you could have your car sound like a different one. Then we have goal explosions, and this is pretty interesting. I'd say, like, customizing how your goal, when you hit the ball and it explodes, that's pretty good. I like how they're doing that. And then, of course, just your titles. So, guys, the main objective is going to try to be unlock some new things and a crate. And also, finding a match is different, too. As you can see, new way to find creative, casual, or competitive. And then arenas, this is the new one. We're going to like that. The champion field is the new one. Hopefully we can play on that. And then, right now, we are going to go into some... Let me think. We're going to go into some standard. There we go. We're going to find a match. And while that is loading, guys, I'd just like to say, remember, put your name in the comment section below of the video for your chance to win the gift card. You put your name in, I'll put them in a hat each day, mix them up, and I'll take out a name. And after, from Tuesday, today, there's going to be 2 videos coming out. So, 2 today and 1 on Friday. The 4 winners from that, I'm gonna mix up into a hat, and whoever I pick out wins the gift card. So, and I've decided that the gift card is gonna be a $20 Walmart gift card. I decided to go with 20 because why not? But anyway, guys, we're going right into some Neo Tokyo. Alright, we got a veteran versus 3 rookies. This should be easy. I say that, but you never know sometimes. You just never know. Alright, probably some of these people might have goal explosion customization. Oh, bit of lag there. I didn't get that in. Nope. By the way, I'm just playing with random people right now. I might do a second video. Nice. I might do a second video with some of my friends, probably. That's what the second one's gonna be today. Hopefully by then I'll have unlocked some of the new goal explosions and trails, if there's any more, but yeah. Ooh, can we save this? Yes, we can. And everyone missed. Oh, no, no. Ooh, that could have been good. And I'll show you some of the trails. As you can see, the bronze right down there. Show you it again. Right down there. Alright, that stunk. Wow. And ignore the phone in the background. Oh. Oh, he hit it right in for him. I might do some singles after this. But right now, we're just seeing if we could unlock anything. Okay. Some people's names, though. Alright, you could definitely tell they're in a party. One, they got the green people by them. Two, they're all named Dank Rom. Then we got 1, 2, and 3. So. Seriously. Oh, hello, Bolt. Hello. Oh, what a save. I didn't even try to get that. But I did anyway. It was an epic save, too. Let's get that out. Nice. Around here, grab this boost. And let's boost into action. Bam. Get him out of there. Someone get the nice. We're gonna spank that all the way over here. And there we go, right in there. Bam. Can't block that, son. Of course, right now I have regular gold explosion because I haven't unlocked any yet. Alright, that demolition failed. Where's the ball? Oh. Dang it. And there's the demolition. Alright, good. He missed. He missed. We're going to take that boost. And we're going to hit that all the way down in there. Bam. Look at that. I don't know if that guy was trying to steal it. He definitely was. That guy was definitely trying to steal it, but he couldn't. Just too good. And... Alright, they missed. They missed. Have to hop back around to help my teammates. Alright, looks like they got everything under control here. Hopefully, I'll get one of the new crates from this match. I'm hoping. Anything new would be good anyway. Now, let's see what this banana guy did. We're going to say no problem anyway. Yeah, it's only one goal. 41 seconds left. I mean, they probably won't score. See, watch this. Bam. Now we're gonna go blow someone up. Maybe not. Alright, I don't know if I just jinxed my team. I probably did. Just have to defend good now. We just gotta defend. Just have to keep it on their side for 30 seconds. Pretty easy. I hope. I might play some defense myself. Get that out of here. Here we go. 10 seconds left. Gotta just keep it over here because a lot of things could happen. Oh, if that went in, that would have been epic, but we won, and we are the MVP. We're going to give this guy a nice little GG. And I got the new crate, guys. Look at that. Rare crate, overdrive crate. I have to see about that. The new way of winning looks pretty cool, too. We're going to probably go into one more match. I like the way they did this, too. How to find a match. Really like that. So let's find another game. Then that'll probably be it. And then, of course, there'll probably be another episode video coming out later on today. I don't know what that's going to be. I was thinking about maybe some Battlefield. That might be one. Or it might either be another Rocket League or Battlefront. And the phone is ringing again. I don't know if you could hear it. But I'm not going to answer it. Simple as that. I'm just not going to answer it. You could definitely hear it now, probably. Alright, who we facing? Ooh, an expert, a veteran, and a pro. And we got 2 pros and I don't know. Hopefully this game doesn't take a turn for the worst. Oh. Alright, let's see. Did this guy have a goal explosion? Yep, he did. That's a pretty sick goal explosion, I'd have to say myself. Pretty cool. I think the one guy stole the other guy's goal. These guys are all on a team, too. In a party. They got the little green figures, I'm gonna call them. Alright, anyway, guys, we have to keep the ball away from here. Try to, at least. Like I said, I had a bad feeling about this. Someone wants to vote to forfeit, but we're not going to. Because it's not over until I say it's over, so... We're gonna keep pushing. Put the pedal to the metal. And miss. Like I said, you gotta put the pedal to the metal, guys. And hope they don't score. Just like that. If we lose this game, I might do some singles. I don't know, though. We'll have to see. Is that... Oh, that was close. And everyone's missing again. Except for them. Alright, everyone has a breaking point at some time. And we just need to find theirs. Bam! Get out of here, boy. Nice, he's missing. Get it on over to their side. Alright. Hey. You guys trying to blow me up probably. Oh my god. I did not see that coming. But you do know this means war. I'm guessing it was that SR Gamer. Yes, it was. Oh wait, that's our guy. So I'm gonna just blow one of them up, I guess. Oh, unless I score. That'd be nice, too. Ah, shot on goal. I mean, and he sort of took it, but I'll let him have it. He had a friendly assist, I'm gonna call it. Friendly assist. No excuse. Yeah, they're definitely, you know, talking to each other and just... They're mad at each other. We're bringing them to the breaking point. Everyone has a bad day, always. At least sometimes people have a bad day, so we're gonna have... This day is gonna be their bad day, and maybe not. Well, we still got 2 minutes left, so... Apparently this guy's Michael Scott. I'm trying to think. I don't know if that's an actor or not. Please type in the chat below if that is an actor. It probably isn't. It's probably just a guy named Michael Scott. Please. Oh, I thought we were scoring again. Alright, where's... Alright, where is the ball again? Nice. See, us pros know what we do. And we get it right in there like that. Look at that. Dun dun. Still with the regular goal explosion. The casual one, I'm gonna call it. The classic one. We still got that. Hopefully we will unlock a new one. Alright, the ball was way too high up. Get that. Oh crap. Dang it. Ooh. Oh, wow. No need to look at the replay. It was just a big mess. Thought someone saved it. Apparently not. Alright, this is our chance. Still our chance. Still chance. I'm being bumped around everywhere. Ooh. Come on, guys. We still got a chance. It's not over till I say it's over. Remember. You just gotta remember those words. Unless you hit the ball out. Ooh. 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 Alright, good, good. Got it out. Alright, we need to take care of the goalie. That's the problem. Is the goalie. Please try not to... Yeah, never mind. Alright. Maybe we can make a comeback in 7 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Probably not. Wow, and he scored again. Same thing here. Some people's names. The names, though. Alright, orange one. Sadly. Probably the first episode of Rocket League where I didn't win anything. And we got this thingy. Alright. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for now. Look out for my second video coming out today that I'm still going to be deciding on, but when it comes out, you'll see what it will be. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe for more content coming very soon. And anyway, I will see you all later.